guys, I'm gonna try this thing out. I already molded it to my teeth. Should be good POV stuff. Love it. Tom's Farms. Love it. So, just made it to Tom's Farms. I'm gonna go register the vehicle. Right behind me is Eric. You guys know Eric's FK Type R. Would love it. We were already having a good chat about these crazy people paying over MSRP for Civic SIs and GR86s. I know he's trying to spread positivity, but stop being dummies, guys. Stop paying for over MSRP for these regular cars. But anyways, I'm nice and early, so I'll be able to catch all the cars, do some walk-arounds. I'm gonna be here all day, so it's gonna be fun.
Get out of that way.
It's all right. So these are the movie cars. The Batman mobile is so cool. Oh, hey. This is so cool. Batman's ready to go. Looking out for the Joker. Look at the cockpit. Love it. Batman would definitely be rolling like that. All over you, Soto. Jeep, Jurassic Park.
Yeah.
YJ? Nice, love it. Looks like Jurassic Park. Oh yeah, I like the yellow raincoat, just like the movie. Very cool. And Bumblebee. Oh dang, old school Bumblebee. Oh, that's cool. Love these movie cars, look nice. The ultimate movie car, DeLorean. Super cool. Next to this guy, dude. Best of show right here. Nice. Mr. Deere. Purpose built. Purpose built for sure. Dude, look at all these fun sodas. Oh, I'm in heaven. That's one of my vices. I'm a big time soda drinker. Love it. Very cool. Very nice. Cool fountain. Mitsubishi. They still make cars?
When you look at it, man, it just looks like it's part of the paint, like it's like burned into it. It's cool. No, that's perfect.
Just don't get the guy in the wheelchair. He's wanted on American. Yeah.
I won't. I'll get this.
Don't get me.
I'll get this Aston instead.
No, don't get his ass. That's even worse.
This thing's beautiful.
Dad.
Mopar. Which Mopar is best Mopar? Oh, that's cool. Ooh, yikes.
Oh, now you're gonna enter. Okay, so
Love it. Dang, it's the president. Why? Because it says president. Black and yellow. Love it. It's the bees. The bee's knees. Oh, X-Men. This was my favorite character growing up. Very cool. Wow. Love it. This would be the one I'd rock. America. Yeah. Look at this. Love this carbon. Damn. No big deal. A 350Z transformer. Dang, 240, I should have brought mine. KA too, nice. Dang, he and I should be friends. Mustang. It's cool. Dude, I love this El Camino. The paint job looks good. Nice. Looks good. Looks good. Shaker hood. Simplify. More Mopars. Dang, what's this? This thing's crazy. Love this. Oh, you know I love this. Sky rolls through. That's good.
I know.
Love it. Vita bus. So classic.
Now I have the hit record that breaks the all-time mark for most total weeks on the chart. For 12 years,
comfy.
there's been a three-way tie between Bill Doggett's Honky
Oh,
Tonk,
Buzz Lightyear.
Wonderful Wonder
Whoa, with the camper too? That's cool.
each had a cumulative
Huh.
total of 39.
Dang, these guys roll through hard. Looks like I'm at Sonic's. That's funny. Those are the days, right? I Love Lucy. Crazy. Oh my god. Dang, C8. You should have this framed. You shouldn't be putting this out. I mean, this Corvette, I can't wait to see what they're gonna do with the Z06. This thing's amazing. Dang. Look what he uses. Rotors. That's crazy. Oh, there's a Joker. Where's the Batman mobile? Lamborghini doors. Oh, that interior is crazy. More. There's the Hot Wheel mobile. Love this one, dude. The third grade fantasy fulfilled. Dang, with these comics. That's crazy. Honda 2000. Oh my god. He's driving a Honda 2000. He's done all kinds of crazy stuff to it. But thank you. It's pretty clean. Mugen steering wheel actually looks nice. Not bad. I think he's gonna definitely beat me. Those wheels actually look really good on it. Yeah, not bad at all. Studebaker. Nice. Chillin'. What's this? It's good. Street legal. It is technically, right? Dang. That's nuts, man. Everything's painted in there. Chevy Nova, nice. So it's clean, dude. Again, reminds me like grandma. My Mexican side. She used to have something like this. Keep your comments to yourself. Dang. Let's get the craziest Volks TE37s and put it on a CRV. Honestly, it's pretty hard. It looks nice. More Jokers. Love that intercooler. Looks good. Dang, he has the gussets. That's pretty hardcore. He must have a roll bar in there or something. Dude, the Yankees on those Civic actually looks pretty good. Nice. Oh, they're from a Mitsubishi. Looks good though. Dang, whose Honda 2000 is this? These guys always roll through hard. This one scrapes everywhere you go. Love it. Dang, look at this lift. Dang. Beast. 37s. Nice. PK. SI. Looks good. Looks good. Honda fan club. Make sure to come visit Eric, right? With the Type R. Dang. And don't pay over MSRP, people.
Yeah, that's right. No.
Looks good. Alright, I'm gonna post up for a while and see any more cars coming in. But so far, nice turnout. All local people. Love it. This is how it should be with my Cherry Coke. Dude, I love this Accord wagon, dude. I totally rock one of these. Super cool, super clean. He brought it. That's awesome. The Ags. Easiest motor to work on. Nice. Lamborghini doors. 2.0 VTEC. So awesome. Dump it. Honda Accord. Family sedan. Dang.
You know this car right here?
Yeah,
Super cool Celica. Beast. Civic Si. Dang, jealous. Dang. Super cool. Honda Friends. Dang. Dang. Wide body carbon with the Lamborghini doors. Nice. Thing's dumped. So happy I came out to this show. Oh, it was so nice today. They had a little patio building right over there. I just got my chair, put it under the shade, dude. I think I took like a 30-minute nap. It was so nice here. Love it. Local community people. Very cool place. I love Tom's Farm. I wish I could have gone to the petting zoo today, man. Dang. But I'm gonna wrap up, gonna start packing up, and then there's a pop-up meet tonight in Temecula. Take a quick nap again, and I'm gonna head over there. So we'll see you. Thanks for watching.